Tuesday, partly sunny with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 80s. The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Polk County and central Florida until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Winter Haven and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Winter Haven, Lake Wales, Crooked Lake Park, Dundee, Eagle Lake, Lake Hamilton, Hillcrest Heights, Highland Park, Alturas, and Cypress Gardens. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Special weather statement.
Yes. Good thing KIH took a little bit to relay, so I actually got it. And it went off. Nice, 382.